Hi Year 7. Seems like ages since I've seen you all, so I hope you're all keeping fit and well at home and that your families are doing well too. We haven't been to school for such a long time, but I can see that lots of you are trying really hard at some of the activities on Show My Homework and now on Google Classroom, so well done, great having a go. And if you're doing things at home and keeping busy in other ways, that's also a really good plan. I'm going to talk to you a little bit this morning about what I've been doing while school's been closed and how I've been keeping busy, and then hopefully you'll be wanting to share your plans and your ideas and the things that you've been doing on our Google Classrooms with your form teachers so we can all see what you're up to. So let me tell you about what I've been up to. We've been really lucky to have some really good weather, so I've been enjoying some time in my garden with my family, painting the fence. Well, my son started and then got bored, so I finished painting the fence. We've had a few barbecues and we also enjoyed the VE Day celebrations at the front of my house, social distancing and enjoying a party just with a picnic afternoon tea just at the front of my house. Let me know if you did anything for the VE Day celebrations. I've enjoyed having the time to keep active while we've been away from school. I try and get out as much as I can, and we've been really lucky. We've had very good weather. I'm out with my daughter. We're out walking at the moment, and I like cycling. Sometimes I go for a cycle, or I've even gone for a few runs. I don't like running, but it's good for me. However, it wasn't very good for me this week when I fell over and I hurt my hand and my hip, but I'm all right now. Don't be laughing because I fell over, because that's not very nice. So I hope you've been keeping active while you've been at home and getting out, enjoying the outdoors, enjoying the greenery. I'm very lucky I live in the mountains. So hopefully you can send me some information about what you've been doing to keep active during our time away from school. This is something that helps me to relax when I'm at home. I enjoy doing a jigsaw puzzle. I'm part way through this one. Done all the easy bits first with the main picture. Now what I've got left are lots and lots of flowers. This is Alice in Wonderland. So I've got lots of flowers left, all looking the same. Yes, that'll be a task for an evening when I've got 10 minutes to sit down and have a good go. The other thing I like to do is baking, and I'll show you some of the things that I've been baking. If you've been doing anything interesting, baking, jigsaws, making anything, send me your pictures, send me your videos. I'd like to have a look. I've been spending a lot of my time at my laptop while we've been away from school. It's my means of keeping in touch with yourselves, with your parents, with other people at school. I've been having meetings online. I've been even getting in touch with Year 6 pupils who are due to join us in September, and they're having a really difficult time not knowing what's going on too. So we're really busy, but we're here to help you. Your form teachers have set up Google Classrooms. So if you need any help, if you need anything, there's no work happening in that classroom. It's purely a bit of fun and for you to share with us things that are going on or to ask for some help if you need it. So don't be afraid to get in touch with us. You could make a little video like I've made for you, and you can upload it and share it with us. We would really like to see what you're doing while you're at home. I've been trying something new. I haven't for a long time written poetry, but I've taken lots of the information and the messages that I've got from pupils, and I put them into my own thoughts of how things are at the moment. So I hope that with the poem, which is called Hope, that you will spot something which you think, yeah, actually that's right. Okay. I hope we will always remember the time coronavirus closed our school, when we didn't have to get up early, which I thought was really cool. I hope we will always remember when all our work was online. I didn't have to answer questions in class, and if I didn't want to do the lesson, that's fine. I hope we will always remember not queuing to eat in the canteen. I could pop to the fridge whenever I liked. I'm sure I've been living the dream. But I hope we will also remember how much I missed my friends. Sure, I can FaceTime or something like that, but that's where my socialising ends. And I hope we will always remember what my teachers do to help me. Home learning sounded fun at first, but in my lessons I learned so easily. Lastly, I hope we remember that we've been through a difficult time, but soon I hope school can reopen and I'll be there to make sure you're just fine. So, take care of yourselves, guys. Keep doing what we're doing. We need to stay in. We need to follow the guidelines that we've been set, and hopefully we can all be back in school really soon and we can catch up and we can get back to some sort of normal life. In the meantime, stay safe and I'll see you soon.